Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to have one name on Facebook. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. What you can do is you can head over right here to Google and then head over right here to emptycharacter.com. Once you have head over to emptycharacter.com, scroll down and then click on this copy to keyboard under the method 1. Click on this copy right here, and then once you have copied it, head back right here to your Facebook. Click on these three lines, click on this gear icon. From in there, click on your Meta Account Center, click on your profiles, and then from there, select your Facebook. Click on your name right here, and then you can actually change your name. For example, let's remove our last name. As you can see, it will actually gray out our actual review change. Now let's paste right here the empty character, and as you can see, we can now click on the review change. And then once you have clicked on it, it will direct you to a new page wherein you can actually save the changes that you have made from this case. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.